Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Oreo cream. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened to room temperature, and 4 cups of powdered sugar. Also, have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of milk ready. Having everything measured and prepared beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This ensures a perfect, creamy consistency for your homemade treat. Now, let's start by creaming the butter. Take your 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter and place it into a large mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, beat the butter on medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want it to become light, fluffy, and pale yellow. This crucial step incorporates air, which is essential for achieving that signature smooth and airy texture in your homemade Oreo cream. Next, we'll incorporate the powdered sugar and vanilla. Gradually add the 4 cups of powdered sugar to your creamed butter, 1 cup at a time, mixing on low speed initially. Once combined, increase to medium speed. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl often. Finally, pour in your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of milk, mixing until everything is just combined and smooth. For the final touch, increase your mixer speed to medium-high and beat the cream for another 2 minutes. This last step ensures a perfectly smooth, light, and airy consistency, just like the filling you love. If the cream seems too thick, you can add a tiny bit more milk, about 1/2 teaspoon at a time, until it reaches your desired texture. Your delicious homemade Oreo cream is now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.